this game, Matt will be telling a story, and me, my trusty helpers, will be making sound effects to describe his story. But he will be trying to guess those sound effects. So now, with the help of you, the audience, let us get some sound effects. So first, give me an animal that makes a very large or loud sound.
Cat.
Cat. Excellent, thank you. Now, let me get a sound of a musical instrument.
Trumpet.
Trumpet, thank you. For our third sound, let's get a sound of a household item.
Blender. Blender.
Blender, thank you. And for our final sound, let's try to make it a little bit difficult. How about an item you may find in a foreign country?
Helicopter.
Helicopter. Thank you, sir. Now, let us recap these sounds. Cat, trumpet, blender, and helicopter. We've been making those sounds while Matt tells the story. Remember, when Matt guesses the correct sound, give him a round of applause. Let him know he's done a good job. Now, let us bring back Matt to the stage. Make sure to give him a round of applause as he enters the stage, guys.
But I think I got a good one. It has a small preface. When I was in my early to mid-20s, I had like a pretty bad anxiety problem. So I used to have panic attacks and stuff, so I was medicated for it. So that's just a little side piece to this. So it was Halloween, I want to say 2004. Cats were out. I got a phone call from a buddy that said, we're going to Milwaukee for a Halloween party. A friend of mine was a student at Milwaukee Institute of Art and Design, so we went up to his place for a party. I didn't really know any people. We're up there. Wolves are howling. Anyway, there's a really pretty girl, and she walks up to me and starts a conversation. I'm like, it's alright, I don't know anybody here. So, alright, sure. There was some jazz music playing, maybe trumpet. Very pretty girl, and for a while I'm kind of doing the thing where you go get the, get the school beers and blah blah blah. And at one point, a dude steps right next to me with a vacuum cleaner. But actually, he stepped right into it and he got kind of in my face, and he was like, "Dude, this is my sister." I'm like, "Cool." And he said, "She's 17."
I'm making smoothies.
So I looked over at the blender to see if Okay, so he said she's 17, and I'm like, okay, shit, I'm not going to talk to her anymore. So I proceeded to go to my own place. She proceeds to get as drunk as any human being could possibly ever get. So about an hour later, she's on the floor, throwing up, pretty much dying. Anyway, a sprinkler. And I'm walking across the party, and her brother gets in my face again, and he says, "Dude, she said you put something in her drink." And that was the theme song that played in my head. It went through several emotions. So my first emotion was anger, because fuck you, I didn't put anything in your sister's drink. My second emotion was fear, because if you remember the beginning of my story, I was too medicated for anxiety, and I had an entire bottle of Xanax in my pocket. All they had to do was this, and I just started.
Black Hawk.
I might have called the helicopter.